everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 3. This is actually the last week of May's Mini Kit Monday, and I am actually using the inspiration piece today. It's the first time that I've used it, and look what I'm doing. I'm doing a diagonal piece right here. I cut it right down the middle because I want to have some sort of line for those circles. Now, if you remember the kit that I had put together, there was a piece of paper that had all these circles on it. And I did mention that I would probably cut the circles out and use them on a layout. Well, that's what I did today. I went ahead and cut them out. Didn't want to bore you with that. I just used my circle punch and just punched them. And then I just placed them diagonal, which is pretty much my go-to. But I felt like it needed something to kind of anchor all the circles. And so that's why I decided to go ahead and use that paper. It's a little unusual that I would do that, especially such a beautiful piece of paper, but it's not the first one that I've had of that particular paper. So I don't feel so bad about cutting it the way I did. And I still have some pieces left over, to do other things with. Now I am going to put this pattern paper behind this turquoise teal color, pretty green paper. And that also uses up some more of the paper that I had in my kit. And this kit was phenomenal. In fact, let me just tell you right now, this is absolutely my favorite page that I made for this month. Oh, it turned out so beautiful. So this photo, I had used it on another layout that I didn't like. And I ended up throwing the other layout away, but this is the photo that I had put on it. And so it's kind of sticky on the back. I took the picture off and threw the layout away. So yeah, but I wanted to use the photo because it's another photo of my daughter, Tara. And this was last Christmas that we had a little selfie moment outside the restaurant where we had lunch. All right, so I am going to mat the photo on the inspiration paper, but I felt it needed something to pop the photo because the sky was so washed out. It's in December and there's, you can't see any clouds or sun for that matter. So everything was pretty much all blended together. And plus, kind of the conversation of my journaling has to do with the wig. She's wearing a wig. She usually has her hair colored. Most of the time it's kind of a rainbow color, but she thought she would surprise me with this platinum wig, and we look like twins because we both have platinum hair. Okay, mine's really gray, but anyway, she bought the wig last year when we had gone to Sacramento, when her sister graduated from college, and we went into a costume shop in downtown Sacramento, and everyone went crazy over the wigs. I think all the women, except for me, got a wig. Yeah, I don't like that. So I am going through my embellishments. And I have a little bit of this yellow gold paper, and I thought, well, I might as well just cut those into circles and put them on this page as well. And that way I'm not I'm not going to waste it because I would throw it away if I didn't use it on this page. Going through the flowers, let me tell you something. I totally channeled Shannon Allor on this. She loves to embellish, and I think, oh my goodness, she does such a fantastic job. I really, really want to see if I can do that. It is not my style, but I am thrilled the way that it turned out. So I put down as many flowers as I could because this is really the last layout for the month, and I had all those flowers left over. And if I had any left over from that, I could possibly do a bonus. Hint, hint, there is a bonus page for the month of May. And I put everything down. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks fantastic. And I glue everything just like I did the circles. I try to not move it from the original spot too much, but I know I just do the best I can. Now, the very top chipboard is yellow and it says beautiful. And then the one that's just to the right of the photo is pink and it says better together. It's kind of sitting there on that orange flower. And then the last chipboard is towards the bottom and it is pink and it says feeling so happy. Yep, it was good. We had a really good visit. Okay, so add a little bit more dimension. The only chipboard that I had were those little banner pieces that I just mentioned. So I wanted to add some more dimension, so I added some foam tape to my photo. I don't think I did any flowers on the foam tape on this layout. Now, okay, you have to watch this because you guys know how I feel about enamel dots. I put down, you're not going to believe how many enamel dots I used. I just went to town. What would Shannon do? What would Shannon do? She would do this. Okay, I'm going to do it. So I put down almost all of the circle enamel dots. I am so proud of myself because I have mentioned multiple times how I don't like enamel dots, but I was determined to get them used. And then you can see the last video of the month for Mini Kit Monday will be my, uh, you know, my review of everything that I have left over. You'll be so amazed of considering how I don't like enamel dots, how many I have left over. All right, these are puffy. They're from Ellie Studio. So I put down the hearts. There's also some circles, but I don't think I used any of those, probably because I had so many enamel dots. I'm going to use that word awesome, looking for the exclamation point because the title of this page is called We Are Awesome. Now, make sure you go by and see the other girls that are part of the Mini Kit Monday team that we post every Monday. I'm going to leave links to their channel below. There's Becky and Kathy and Dolly and Daisy and Shannon and Leslie. Yep, there's 7 of us. Okay, I know I don't have that we are completely straight, so I bring my T-ruler in. And then I don't do my journaling on screen. Now those are like little, I don't know, stars or something. And I felt like it needed just a tad more black. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.